My name is Fayaz and I am a Microsoft certified trainer. In this video, I will talk to you regarding Excel dashboards. Before we start about Excel dashboards, we need to understand regarding data. Data goes through three layers in Excel. Layer number one is your raw data. Raw data is that data which basically you import from an ERP system or from a SAP, or you could simply have a particular person who is doing the data entry. Now this data volume could be huge. You're talking about hundreds and thousands of rows. Layer number two is the analysis. It's the concise data. So basically what happens over here is this data is used for decision making. A classic example is your pivot table. You may have thousands and millions of rows, but once you create a pivot table, you have the concise data. Layer number three is the graphical representation. That this data is taken into a graphical format using charts, graphs, and these graphs can be used by the management to basically make decision making. Now the Excel dashboard course is all about layer number 2 and layer number 3. How can you get data from multiple locations onto one specific sheet, integrate them with form elements so that by a click of a button, data from multiple sheets are imported into one particular sheet so that the decision making can be done. Before a participant enrolls for the Excel dashboard course, they already need to know the advanced Excel features such as VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, match, index, pivot tables, if condition, conditional format. These options the participant already needs to know. When they come for an Excel dashboard program, we understand that they already know these skills and they will be building over these skills. This is an example of a dashboard which you will be creating during the workshop. Now, if you see, you have multiple graphs over here and these graphs are integrated with the form element. Now, if you go to see, we have multiple sheets. For example, I will simply just scroll over here. These are the multiple sheets which we have. But the stakeholder will only look at one particular sheet. That one sheet can pull up data from multiple sheets so that decision making can be made easy. Now, for example, the stakeholder will only look at the dashboard sheet. From the drop down, the moment you make any changes, automatically, depending on what you have selected from the drop down, all the different charts will change to reflect the option.